Hey guys, it's Jason over at Kaiser Willys Auto Supply, and today I'll be installing the rims and tires onto my CJ-2A. Here we have the rear axle. We've got it up in the air on a jack. We're going to go ahead and take our tire and rim, which we've already mounted. This is a 16-inch rim. We sell these at Kaiser Willys. We also sell the 15-inch rim. This tire is a 650 by 16 STA Super Traction tire. It is a tube tire, so it does require a tube. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and put a couple of these nuts on. I do want you to note, we're working on the driver's side. So traditionally speaking, the driver's side would have left-handed studs and nut, and then the passenger side would have right-hand studs and nuts. We've put right-hand studs and nuts all the way around. So once we get this in place, we're going to go ahead and lower it back to the ground. You only want to hand tighten when you've got it in the air. You won't actually be able to torque these to spec while the vehicle is in the air. So we're moving on to the front axle. It's got a larger hub, fits the same. We're gonna go ahead and put this in place, run a couple of the nuts onto the studs. We'll then hand tighten these in a star pattern to make sure that everything goes on and lines up properly. I do wanna note that these nuts are gonna go with the taper side towards the rim. So taper side towards the rim. Once we have these nuts hand tightened, we're gonna go ahead and lower the vehicle back onto the ground. This is when we're gonna go ahead and set the torque on these lug studs, and this is also a great time to torque the rear axle nut. I hope this helps. Thanks for watching.